100 common opposites. Near, far, good, bad, tall, short, full, empty, start, stop, begin, end, find, lose, float, sink, live, die, pass, fail, rise, set, love, fear, rich, broke, big, tiny, mean, kind, dark, pale, bold, shy, true, lie, fast, slow, wide, slim, tall, low, come, go, in, out, on, off, up, down, wet, dry, old, new, hot, cold, boy, girl, sun, moon, win, lose, buy, sell, all, none, wake, sleep, open, close, life, death, sit, stand, wild, tame, love, hate, cold, warm, calm, wild, war, peace, short, long, yes, no, gain, lose, thin, fat, thick, slim, day, night, bright, dim, soft, hard, man, woman, light, dark, poor, rich, rich, poor, real, fake, over, under, truth, lie, tell, hide, near, far, big, small, sick, well, long, short, hard, soft, ill, well, give, keep, east, west, slow, fast, late, lady, left, right, lean, fat, glad, sad, kind, cruel, stop, go, cool, warm, thick, thin, here, there, full, half, sweet, sour, here, away, real, unreal, true, false, home, away, safe, risk, early, late, young, old, lead, follow, sharp, dull, ask, answer, lost, won, rise, fall, high, low, big, little, give, take, lost, found, go, stay, open, shut, work, rest, add, cut, push, pull.